Find a comfortable place to rest your body. You can lie down like an Arctic animal resting in the snow, or sit up tall and cozy. Let your hands rest on your belly or your heart. Take a slow breath in through your nose and let it out softly through your mouth. Winter is a quiet season. A season for slowing down, resting, and restoring. Imagine you are in a peaceful winter place, far up north. The ground is covered in soft snow that sparkles gently in the light. Tall trees and wide open land feel calm and still, as if the world itself is taking a deep breath. The air feels cool and fresh on your skin. You feel warm and safe, like you're wrapped in a cozy blanket. Nothing is rushing you. Nothing is asking you to hurry. Listen closely. Winter sounds are very quiet. Maybe you hear a soft wind moving across the snow, or the gentle hush of falling snowflakes. The quiet helps your body soften and relax. In this winter world, Arctic animals know how to rest. The polar bear moves slowly to save energy. The Arctic fox curls up to stay warm. The snowy owl sits quietly, watching and waiting. They listen to their bodies, and their bodies tell them when it's time to rest. Just like them, your body is allowed to rest too. Breathe in the clean winter air. It feels calm and peaceful inside you. Each breath helps your muscles relax. Your shoulders soften, your hands loosen, your whole body feels supported. Winter teaches us that resting is important. Rest helps us grow strong. Rest helps us feel calm. Rest helps us get ready for what comes next. There is nothing you need to do right now. Nothing you need to fix. Nothing you need to be. If you like, whisper quietly inside your mind, I am calm. I am resting. I am safe. Take one more slow breath in and let it go. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, slowly bring movement back into your body. And when it feels right, softly open your eyes, bringing the quiet strength of winter back with you.